Hi everyone, Ashish Kyal here and warm welcome for learning across markets, looking at simple things and how it works fantastically well. I'm sure the short videos that we are making, you are liking those videos, and if you're liking about the levels that we are tweeting and क्या move दिया है market ने निफ्टी ने जहां कोई भी नहीं सोच रहा था निफ्टी लो जाएगा. We talked about how 25,440 is an important support. Nifty made a low of 25,450, reversed from there. I talked about 800 points movement is coming, 450 points done in just 2 days of time. The movement has been superb. Looks like we are headed up, लेकिन सिंपल वे से देखेंगे, स्टेप बाय स्टेप फैशन में हम अप्लाई करेंगे. Before I move on, I just want to know if you are liking what we are doing and if you are liking the short videos, if you're liking my tweet levels, comment नीचे डालते जाइए और लिखते जाइए. I am going to now teach you about a simple method which actually works. Combining with simple tools, techniques, I'm going to share across my screen and show it across to you. But before I move on, just to confirm, this is purely from educational perspective. Investment in market is risky. Investment in crypto is risky. Ensure you maintain stop loss. We are SEBI registered research analyst. Whatever we are doing is purely learning perspective, and there is no guarantee in markets. Ensure that you maintain your risk. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. And I'm going to share across my screen very quickly. This is Delta Exchange platform which I'm showing you across. You can see various crypto में भी movement बहुत जबरदस्त है. You can see the various cryptos where the movements are happening. Will go on Bitcoin. And if you remember last week, we talked about how Bitcoin should behave from positional perspective, and it worked superb. यहाँ से रिवर्स होना चाहिए, we got there. यहां से रिवर्स होना चाहिए, वी गॉट दैट. बहुत ही जबरदस्त वे से ये क्रिप्टो काम कर रहा है जैसा हम सोच रहे. सिंपल प्राइस एक्शन. यहां पर ऑन द चार्ट यू कैन सी बॉलिंगर बेंड्स बीइंग अप्लाइड. इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल इंडिकेटर. आई हैव अप्लाइड दैट. यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्लाई एके इंडिकेटर ऑन क्रिप्टो. किसी की क्वेरी थी. एके इंडिकेटर इज आशीष क्याल ट्रेडिंग गुरुकुल इंडिकेटर इज व्हाट आई से. सो वो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. एंड यहां पर ये जो मिड लाइन है दैट इज द एवरेज लाइन. एंड वी कैन क्लियरली सी दैट प्राइस आर फाइंडिंग hurdle around this average line, reversing back from there multiple times. Again, went up here, reversed on the downside, trying to attempt some pullback. So this is a very powerful indicator. You can combine for scalping. आज मैं थोड़ा सा scalping के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा कि scalping strategy कैसे बना सकते हो. Many people, are you trading in intraday scalping? फटाफट लिया और बेच दिया. So for scalping, this is a very powerful method. यहाँ पे मैग्नेट ऑन किया मैंने. यू कैन सिंपली कम हियर, प्लॉट अ हॉरिजॉन्टल रे. आई गो टू द येस्टरडेज. जो प्रीवियस डे का मूवमेंट होता है ना, बहुत क्रूशियल होता है. सो येस्टरडेज हाई, येस्टरडेज लो, ओपन जो यहां पर है, एंड क्लोज. ये चार लेवल मैंने यहां पे मार्क कर दिए जो प्रीवियस डे का ओपन, हाई, लो और क्लोज पे है. ठीक है. Then after doing that, I'm also going to put an indicator which is MACD. I'm going to do that. This is pure scalping strategy which I'm teaching right now. Once you have done this on the daily time frame chart, और bands भी साथ में डाल देना. Now I'm going on 1 hour time frame chart. ठीक है. On 1 hour time frame chart, what we see is this is very clearly the high, the close, the open and the low. ये सारी चीजें यहां आ गई. 1 आवर में फिलहाल तो मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, विच वी कैन सी इट हियर शॉर्ट टर्म में. ओके, बिटकॉइन ऊपर जा रहा है. द प्रायर डे, okay, the prior day high low becomes a very important level to watch out for, which is this level. Now what I'm going to do is I want to scalp के लिए 1 hour time frame chart बहुत बड़ा है. ठीक है. तो I'm going to go 15 minutes chart. 15 minutes chart. मैं 15 मिनट चार्ट पे आ रहा हूं यहां पे. Now once I come on a 15-minute chart, okay, now what I have to observe is that prices are going up. और MACD में आपको हिस्टोग्राम को देखना है. You ignore the MACD line and the signal line. You simply look at the histogram. when you're looking at on a 15-minute chart, the histogram shows histogram is moving down बहुत क्लियरली, मतलब अपसाइड मोमेंटम थोड़ा कम हो रहा है, लेकिन प्राइस एक्शन बुलिश है, which means there is a conflict. There is lack of momentum with a positive price action. मतलब no trading zone. Wait करना है. Okay, we have to wait. There is no trading zone. Suppose if prices slowly steadily moves up, मैं यहां बाय नहीं कर रहा because यहां momentum कम हो रहा है. So I'm not buying this. I'm waiting. Now there can be two different ways of finding out resistance. One, my blue line here and another blue line which is above it. ठीक है, वो resistance levels है. These are my resistance levels. The other way of finding out resistance is my bands, but the bands have started deviating up, which means trend है अभी फिलहाल, तो band में resistance नहीं मिलेगा. Suppose if prices from here moves to the upper end of the range, which is this level, and forms a reversal back on the downside. If it comes here and reverses back on the downside, from here we might get an opportunity for sell. लेकिन साथ ही में मोमेंटम पे हमें ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि यहां पर मोमेंटम फिलहाल बेरिश नहीं हुआ है. हमें मोमेंटम पे यहां पर ध्यान रखना है, क्योंकि मोमेंटम अगर सिग्नल नीचे आने लगा, विच मीन्स द हिस्टोग्राम स्टार्टेड फॉर्मिंग डाउन एंड इंक्रीजिंग, अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कंफर्मेशन रिवर्सल हो रहा है. लेकिन ध्यान रखना, भाव भगवान से, प्राइस इज गॉड. वी आर नॉट बाइंग एंड सेलिंग simple Bitcoin histogram. We are buying and selling simple Bitcoin prices. So over here, we need to find out where is the hurdle, where is the resistance, and if we have a price confirmation. So for example, this is the support area. Now if the midline comes above, सब जो मार्केट ऊपर तक गया ही नहीं, मिड लाइन ऊपर आ गई एंड प्राइसेस ने रिवर्स मिड लाइन के नीचे कर दिया, दैट विल बी माय सेल this level, and this will be my stop loss, confirmed by a slowing or increasing downside momentum. Slowing upside momentum, increasing downside momentum is where I am going to sell. Are you with me? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? करना क्या है, स्टेप्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूं. स्कैल्पिंग स्ट्रेटेजी है, ये 15 मिनट का चार्ट है. पहले तो एमएससीडी प्लॉट करो, स्टेप 1. सेकेंड, प्लॉट बॉलिंगर बेड्स. स्टेप 3, plot open high low close of the prior day. Your setup is ready. Go on 1 hour chart, just see where is the movement happening. Right now it's happening on the upside, so फिलहाल buy में है. Okay, that's on the buy side. Secondly, if we want to sell, I need it to work. It has to be near this resistance level. If I want to buy, it has to be near this support level. If I want to do trading in between this range, we need some indication from the mid levels. ठीक है, फिलहाल बैंड अपसाइड एक्सपांड हो रहा है, which means it's on the buy side. If the mid band is far away and prices comes down, I'm not selling. I need some confirmation. I'm not selling. If it comes down and reverses up, I might buy, provided my momentum starts picking up again. That's where I will scalp for buy. Are you with me? And stop loss लगाना है जो स्विंग का लोअर. If this move does not happen, बल्कि नीचे आके इसके नीचे बंद कर देता है, which is a negative confirmation for me, and I might sell for this much as the target. So ये मेरा टारगेट हो गया इतना. This is my target. That's how I am going to trade this entire setup. Over here, you also have options. So you can trade options, and if you're scalping within 30 minutes, there is a scalper active. I think there is minimal charge or no charge that you can evaluate. If you are scalping for 30 minutes, वो आप यूज कर सकते हो. सो मूवमेंट बहुत होता है क्रिप्टो के अंदर, बट यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एवरीथिंग दैट वी आर डूइंग हियर. Maintain stop loss, because if you are on the wrong side, it goes very fast also. And over here, once you go on the markets, you will see various futures. So same concept you can apply on Ethereum. Ethereum फिलहाल बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मोमेंटम बहुत अच्छा है, एमएसीडी अभी भी बढ़ रहा है. सेल नहीं करना इसको. 15 मिनट चार्ट देखो, सेल नहीं करना. सिंपल है, वेट करो, मिड बैंड के पास है, मोमेंटम को कम होने दो, रिवर्स होने दो, प्राइस एक्शन देखो, बाय करेंगे, बिकॉज ओवरऑल मोमेंटम इज reversing back on the upside. So this is how you can combine simple methods. And if you want to buy from here, you can put across the best bid. You can buy even just 0.01 quantity, which is just one lot. And this is one of the best way of scalping it through using this simple science of trading. So I thought I'll just explain you this simple process, step by step process, कैसे आपको trade लेना है, and it actually works. You have to just understand the methods, and if you're liking these methods and short learning videos, do not forget to put it across on the comment section. और साथ में you can join me on my crypto telegram, नीचे लिंक पिन किया हुआ है, वहां ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. You can evaluate this platform, there is a referral link, you can check that, evaluate करो, if it works for you, check that, and also ensure that you understand the risk that you are taking. आज के लिए इतना ही दोस्तों. Have a wonderful time, become a wonderful trader. आशीष क्याल signing off.